Okay, hello everybody. It's Rob here from Rockstar Marketing. Just giving you a little insight on how to set up an email marketing program, an email list manager with MailChimp.com. First thing you want to do is just hop on to MailChimp.com. That's the easiest way to get there. Or just Google MailChimp. Sounds just like it's spelled just like it sounds. Top 3 reasons I love MailChimp. Number 1, really easy to use. Number 2, really cool mascot. And this little guy right here, that chimp. Let's bring him back up. Where is he? One more. There he is right there. Yay. And number 3, free. So we've been going on this how to create an entire online marketing setup for free. And this is one of them. So over here on the left you can see that this is a completely free account. You can store up to 500 subscribers and send up to 3,000 emails a month. And that is a lot, trust me. It'll take you a while to get up to 500, and once you do, if you have more than that, it's more than worth how much they charge per month for more than 500. You'll be making so much more money off of your email list that this will be the least of your worries. So click right here, sign up for free. Now I'm going to move pretty quickly on this, so go ahead and feel free to pause, rewind, fast forward as you need. Okay, up here you click into your email. Just type in your email, the one you use the most, so you can get all the notifications. Make up a username, whether it's your own name or your company name or whatever your name wants to be. Just make up a name. And your password, confirm it there, and create the account. Once you click on the Create My Account, you'll receive an email from MailChimp within the next probably 2 to 3 minutes. It'll look something like this. This is MailChimp Client Services, and it's forwarded to me. And it says click here to activate your account, and it'll show your username right here that you just created. It won't show your password because, God forbid, somebody else gets in your email. You just got to remember it, so write it down or put it in a safe place. So it will actually automatically put that username in for you. So you just click here to activate the account, come up with another tab, and you'll have to confirm you're a human being, because there's these things called spam robots that are out on the internet wreaking havoc and setting up thousands of accounts that are fake. So to avoid MailChimp thinking that you're a spammer, they set this up. So you just type in the 2 words or numbers or phrases that are here. For me, it's defining in a space and then 65. This is called a capture and reCAPTCHA. This is, again, just to make sure you're human and not a robot. Although I would like to be a robot someday. E-A-O-O. You know what I'm saying? Anyway, I just did the robot, by the way. I know you can't see it, but anyway. Confirm your sign up, click there, and it will take you to one of MailChimp's many cool sign up pages. This one happens to be MailChimp starring in Super Mario Brothers. Now, if you played Super Mario Brothers or know regular Nintendo and have played it before, you will respect this in all of its glory. Anyway, so you type in your username, and in fact, actually, MailChimp already puts it in there for you. And you type in your password, and you hit login. Comes this cool old school login screen. It's called their Automagical Loader. It gives you a little message here. Actually, it says we just launched MailChimp 5.2 across all the accounts. Some major upgrades, blah, 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 blah. Cool. Click onward and upward. Okay, so here is your dashboard. This is the coolest thing about MailChimp. It has everything in one place for you. You can customize it if need be. But as it says right here, getting started with MailChimp is easy. You just create your list, create the campaign, and create your reports. Cool thing about this is that with creating your list, if you click on that to start, it'll come up with ways to create your list in email marketing. Now you want to set up your list name, your default from name, reply to, subject, all this stuff. Now the cool thing about this is that if you just click back here, back to the dashboard, is that next to every single one of these, now these are the 3 steps you have to follow. There's no other way to do it. You have to create your list first, then you have to create the campaign that you're going to send to your email list, and then you're going to want to check your reports to see who's opened it, how many people have opened it, the percentage, where did they go afterwards, what did they click on. You'll be able to know everything. It's really cool. It's like you're a super spy, but for marketing. Anyway, so over here on the right-hand side, you'll see watch video, watch video, watch video, right? So for each one of these, there's actually tutorial videos that MailChimp made. They're very cool, very informative. They walk you through step by step. I encourage you to take a couple minutes and watch each one of these videos. They explain it much better than I can, and that's what I did when I started, and it helped me out a lot. There's also some more down here which are pretty much the same ones, with the exception of the setting up autoresponders, which you also want to check out. Now the first one before that, if you want to see how to navigate this whole area, would be this video tutorial right next to dashboard. You can click on that, and if you just click on one of them, you'll see that your screen kind of grays out and the help video comes right up in the center of the screen, and loads up for you and gives you some options from there. See, let's go there. Now if you really want a step-by-step way to learn MailChimp, go down here to this little blue windows, light blue window. It says new to MailChimp, sign up for a free online training and we'll show you how sending great content can be easier than eating a banana. Pun intended. That's why I love MailChimp. Anyway, so click on that. It'll come to another page here, a new window, and it gives you the MailChimp online training here. Okay. Now these map out the entire online courses they offer, which are all free, and they're just 45-minute online training sessions. Okay, it's a getting started webinar. It's designed for first-time, customers and users, and you want to sign up for these sessions, and they'll give you an email to remind you, and it's all done online. Looks like they already went over the MailChimp and WordPress modules. They'll probably do that again next month, so you want to see that because that's what we're using. That's what I recommend using MailChimp with. Other than that, you can sign up and get started with one of these things, or if you can't make it to any of the live webinars, just click over here to watch a previously recorded session. If you happen to read or write or speak or listen in Spanish, you can click on it there. Also, if you have an iPhone or iPod, you're going to want to click here. It'll take you to the link to MailChimp Academy on iTunes, where you can then download the tutorial videos for free and upload them to your iPod or iPhone, or probably iPad as well at this point in time. And you can watch them on the go. Maybe you're on an airplane or traveling, or maybe you're driving. You want to watch a video while you're driving on your iPhone. I mean, everybody does it. I mean, come on, you're not going to get pulled over for that. You might get yourself into a little fender bender, but anyway, I do not recommend that, by the way. Okay, so anyway, so there's the cool options for you to learn more about it there. So let's just X back out of this one and go back to our dashboard. Now, after you set up a list, if you click back on the creative list function, I believe I've set up a fake list here, Rockstar Marketing list. So if I view the list here, you can bring it up here. Okay, so it says view list, and there's one subscribers. It's a good thing to add yourself as a subscriber to your own list. That way, when you send out emails, you get the email as well, and you get to see for yourself what it looks like and what it says. Good thing probably just to send it out to yourself the first time as a dry run. Anyway, you'll see that there's all these stats up here. Those will fluctuate in time. Your history and your last campaign, and then your growth, which is a sample graph here, but it'll eventually be a real one. So what you're going to want to do is come over here to the tab called Import, okay, and click on that. Now, here's the great part about MailChimp. You most likely have your account set up already for email with someone else. Perhaps it's Outlook or Gmail, or you've got a Salesforce list, or Eventbrite, or you've got an Excel spreadsheet, or another email marketing program you're using. Either way, you're going to want to upload one of these into MailChimp so that you can get all your email addresses immediately.